Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 7.1. So let's start. So question number 15 is given here. The price of an article increase from 960 to 1800 and the percentage increase in the price. So you have to find out the how much percentage increase the price. So our previous price is 900. So our previous price is 960 and present price is 1080. So how much price is increase? Just subtract it, you will get how much prices be increased. You will get here 120. So how much percent be increase? So how to do? Firstly, in the numerator portion right here, the increase in price, that means 120 upon the previous price. The previous price here 960, that means original price, that is 960 right here, into 100, that means 100% right here, 100%. So just deduct it, you will get the answer. Just cancel out and you will get the answer. Now go to next problem, question number 17. So question number 17 is given here. Out of 8,000 candidate, 60% were boys. If 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls are passed in the examination, find the number of candidates who failed. That means here is given total number of candidates is 8,000 and 60% were boys. So percentage is given 60%, or boys is given 60% of total candidate. Total candidates be boys is equal to boys. So how to get the number of boys? 60% of total candidate, that means 60% of means multiplication, writing here of means multiplication, and total candidate is 8,000. So right here 8,000. So 60% means 60 upon 100, that means 60 by 100 into 8,000. Just cancel out the number, you will get this answer. So 4,800 be the total number of boys here. So total number of candidate be 8,000 and total number of boys is 4,800. So how many number of girls be there? If you subtract, then you will get the number of girls. So number of girls be 3,200. Now the next telling you, if 80% boys and 90% girls are passed in the examination. So 80% of boys means 80% of means multiplication, and boys, total number of boys is 4,800. So if you calculate it, you will get here this much. So this much number of boys are passed in the examination. In the similar way, 90% girls are passed in the examination. So you can solve it and we will get 880 number of girls passed in the examination. Now how many total number of candidates passed in the examination? So what to do? You have to add this and this, then you will get here 6,720 students passed in the examination. And here asking you find the number of candidates who fail. So total number of candidates is 8,000 and this much are passed in the examination. So how much are failed? Just subtract it, you will get the answer. Now go to next problem. This is question number 19. So the numbering is wrongly given, that is 19 happened. So match from your book. So question number 19 is given here. Pratibha reduced her weight by 15%. If now she weighs 59.5 kg, what was her earlier weight? So what is given here? Pratibha reduced her weights 15%. So let the Pratibha's weight be x kg and he reduced her weight 15%. That means how much weight reduce? 15% of x. That means it will be 15 by 100 into x. So this much weight be reduced. Now Pratibha's present weight will be what to do? Previous weight minus reduced weight is equal to her present weight, that is given here 95.5 kg. Now from here calculate it, we will get the value of x. So Pratibha's weight was 70 kg. Now go to next problem. So question number 21. So that is 21 happened. So question number 21 is given. Increase price of 200 by 10% and then decrease the new price by 10%. Is the final price same as the original price? So what they are asking, the original price of a article is 200 rupees. Firstly increase the price 10%. So here increase the price 10%, that means this is the increased price and this is the previous price, just add it, you will get the new price, that is 220. So these all are equal happen. These are the new price after increasing 10%. Now this price is decreased again 10%. So what to do? You have to subtract now. You have to do the subtract. So 10% of 220. Here the increased price, reduce the price about this increased price. Here that's why you have written here 220. So this reduced price you have to subtract from 220. You will get the new price, that is 198. That means our original price was 200 and our new price is 198. So both the prices are not equal. So you have to write here, no, the final price is not same as the original one. Clear? So in this way you have to do left of the problem in exercise 7.1. Thank you everyone.